What's up, gang? BMI back with another investing video for you guys. And today, basically, I am going to talk about one stock, and that is Hertz. Hertz Global, the car rental company. And I will have a bonus stock for you guys if you make it to the end of the video. But I really do appreciate any likes, subscribes, and comments. Let me know what you're trading if you don't like these stocks that I'm going to talk about. Normally, I would have more stocks for you guys, but it's early in the week. I will have more stocks for you guys. I'm just trying to make it a little bit more simple, but let's get into it. Before we get into Hertz and dig into some of the catalysts that I think could be coming up, I got to tell you, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. You guys be careful, set your stop losses, and do your own research. And also, I want to say, go check the other videos, because Orbs, another day that it is up, it's green. So if you watch the last video, I think like 25 people watched it. Most people don't even make it this far into the video. So watch the videos and put them in your list so that you can watch these tickers. But let's get into it. Ticker symbol HTZ. This is Hertz Global, the car rental company. And let's be honest, it's down for a multiple of reasons, but a lot of the car places are hurting right now because nobody is buying cars. It's a bad time to be selling cars. And they were not doing phenomenal in their last earnings report, but this next quarter, could be a different story. Hertz was down again 2.5%, a little bit more than that. It took a pretty good dip today, down to $5.47, 46, 45, less than $5.50 basically is where I think it is finding some support here. Now it could dip more tomorrow, but I like this price and I'm scooping up shares right now. I'm loading the boat with this one, honestly. I like the name. I think they're going to be around, and they're down also for other reasons that we're going to get into, but the 52-week high on this thing is $9.39. So it definitely has room to the upside, also has room to the downside at $2.77. That's the 52-week low. I don't think it's going to get there, but I do think that it could get closer to $5, maybe realistically like $5.30, maybe $5.20s. We'll see what happens, but wanted to get this video out here to you guys. The market cap is 1.2 billion. The volume today, 6.5 million. It's normally around 9 to 10 million, but let's dig a little bit deeper. Why they fell, I think, is because they had a loss, right, in the last earnings of 34 cents a share. And then they also had a loss of $3.32 a share for the year. So wasn't looking good numbers wise, but honestly, this was the first time in 2 years that they turned a core profit. So there was some good news there in that report. And also the depreciation of their vehicles, they're in the car business, is down $250 a month, but that's a lot, right? That's a big expense. I think it's cool though. They are trying to change and gear their business model to where it's more online. So you can go to Hertz car sales. That, I'm not endorsed by them, but that's how you can purchase their vehicles or rent a car, right? And there's no dealership, there's no phone calls. It's like other models out there. You just go to the website and pick the one you want, right? They have some new things going on. They are partnered with Amazon Auto, which I think is cool. So when people are shopping on Amazon, when they get to their cart, they'll have that option in between there where they can either rent a car or purchase one. So I think that is cool. And then another program that they have going on is they are partnered with Rent to Buy. This is a program that's going on in over 100 different cities. So that's huge. And basically when you rent through them and you purchase the vehicle, you end up purchasing the vehicle. So you rent a vehicle and you like it and you purchase it, then they will waive the rental fee, which pretty cool there. And obviously other people like it because they have a conversion rate of 80%. So good news. I think it's not all bad news. And you guys do your own research, right? Look at the stock. I'm buying up shares. I was buying up shares under that 550 range. So if it dips tomorrow under 550, obviously I'm probably going to keep averaging down there. But it's not all bad news. It is down pretty big today. 20% for the week as well. So big dip here. I think this is an opportunity to own a legacy name at a discount. It's also down 24% over the past 3 months. So quite the discount here. Not all bad news though. The stock is up. Over the past year, it's up over 63%. So the chart is green when you look at it over the past year to date, it's still down. So I think it's a big discount here. Could be the lows, could be finding a bottom here. Watch out for Hertz because, hey, people might not be buying cars right now, but you know, here 3 months from now, when things look a little bit better, when the economy looks a little bit better, people could be buying cars, and you know, they could always have some good news. But I like the stock and I definitely like it at this price range. So check it out, HTZ Hertz. And if you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys are trading down there in the comments. And I got that bonus stock for you guys. And that one is, drumroll please, Peloton, PTON. This one, you guys have to be aware out there in the market. When other people are fearful, you have to swoop in and take advantage of things like this. This stock fell today. It was down like 12%. So we scooped in, bought some shares just before hopping on here. And I kind of wish it didn't rip back the way it did, or you know, it might dip again, so that's the reason why it's on here. But I was hoping to get some more shares, but I got an awesome average. Peloton's down, PTON, check it out, down today. This is another legacy name, but they're changing their business model as well to where it's more AI focused, which I think is smart. So I don't know why people are freaking out as much. They've had issues. Peloton has dropped big before. I'm kind of used to this, not scared at all. When other people are fearful, we're scooping in on this one as well. It opened up, think about it, Peloton opened up today at $8.25. So big discount here. The high today was $8.40 and the low today was $7.31. So I wish I got them that cheap, but we did get some cheap shares today, around $7.38, I think is my average. But I like that. It was kind of going between there and $7.35, which I was scooping up some shares there as well, trying to lower my average even more. The 52-week high on Peloton is double this. It's almost $11. 52-week low is right around $4.52, so less than $5, and it's sitting here with this big drop at $7.35. So $7.35. I like this. I like Peloton. Tomorrow, if it's around $7.40, I would probably even average up for this name. But that's two for you guys to focus on and put on your list: Hertz and Peloton. I hope you guys make some money this week. Stay green, and we'll see you guys in the next video.